In this video, we'll take a full tour of the integrations page and walk through exactly what's involved in connecting each one of the tools available to you. To get started, click Integrations in the left-hand menu. This opens your integrations library, a full list of email marketing tools, customer engagement platforms, loyalty systems, and restaurant booking and reservation providers all in one place. Each integration is shown as a card with a short description of what it does, and a button that either says Setup, meaning it hasn't been connected yet, or Edit, meaning it's already active and ready to be reviewed or adjusted. Let's start with Mailchimp. Clicking Setup opens the Connect to Mailchimp screen, which explains that this integration automatically syncs contacts from your locations into your Mailchimp audiences. To connect, you simply click Connect to Mailchimp, which will take you through Mailchimp's own authorization flow to grant access. Next is Brevo, an email marketing and SMS platform. On the Brevo setup screen, you're asked for your API key, which you can find inside your Brevo account under Settings, then API keys and webhooks. Once you've entered that key, you click Connect to finish linking your account. Moving on to Airship, a customer engagement platform. This setup screen asks for two pieces of information: your API key and your account ID. Once both are entered, clicking Connect completes the integration. Then we have Acteol, a loyalty and CRM solution. Here, the setup screen asks for your host URL, your API username, and your API password. After filling these in, clicking Connect links your Acteol account to HeyGuest. Now let's look at ResDiary, a restaurant booking system integration, and one that's already active on this account. Instead of a setup button, you'll see an edit button, which takes you into the ResDiary configuration screen. Here, under connected accounts, you can see the currently linked account, along with its microsite name, account name, and email. You also have the option to reconnect the account if needed or disconnect it entirely. Below that, you'll find the channel code, which defaults to online, and the time zone setting, which makes sure booking times line up correctly with your restaurant's location. Any updates here are applied with the Save Configuration button, and if you manage more than one restaurant, you can scroll down to add another ResDiary account and click Connect another account to link additional locations. Next up is DesignMyNight, a restaurant and event booking platform. Its setup screen asks for your API username, API password, and venue group ID, along with an optional API base URL, which you can leave blank to use DesignMyNight's default API. Once entered, clicking Connect finalizes the integration. Similarly, Zonal, a booking and reservation platform, asks for an API username and API password, plus an optional API base URL if you're not using the default Zonal LiveRes API. Clicking Connect links the account. For OpenTable, the process works a little differently. Instead of entering credentials directly in HeyGuest, you start the connection from within OpenTable itself. By clicking Connect on OpenTable, you're guided through OpenTable's secure authorization flow, and once approved, your restaurant will automatically appear back here in HeyGuest, ready to be assigned to an assistant. SevenRooms, another booking and reservation platform, requires a bit more detail. Your client ID, client secret, and venue group ID, which is used to fetch all venues in your group and can be found in your SevenRooms account settings. You'll also add your SevenRooms IDs, one per line, which will later become selectable during AI location setup. HeyGuest verifies these credentials against the SevenRooms authorization endpoint before saving, so you can be confident the connection is valid. Stream Orders, which powers voice food ordering across your connected locations, menus, and carts, works in reverse. Rather than connecting from HeyGuest, you'll go into your Stream account, add HeyGuest as a provider, and authorize access there. Once that's done, the connection will appear automatically back on this page. And finally, Bookable Tech, a unified booking gateway across multiple table management systems. Its setup simply asks for a client ID and client secret, which you can find in the Bookable portal under your account settings. Just like SevenRooms, these credentials are verified against Bookable Tech's OAuth endpoint before being saved. And that wraps up our tour. Whether you're linking a marketing platform like Mailchimp or Brevo, a loyalty system like Acteol, or a booking and reservation tool like ResDiary, OpenTable, SevenRooms, Zonal, or DesignMyNight, HeyGuest makes it simple to bring all your favourite tools together in one place. Explore the integrations that fit your business and get connected in just a few clicks.